Let's meet Sam, a young professional. He was so worried about the functioning of his garage door as the door springs were broken. Every time Sam opened or closed the door, he noticed jerky movements that led him to great concern. One day, over a chat with his friend on this matter, he learned about Adams Garage Doors LLC and their services. Without further ado, he called them and booked an expert garage door spring repair service. Their certified door technicians came with modern tools and repaired the damaged door spring efficiently. Sam was relieved and happy to receive such exceptional and same-day service from them at affordable rates. So, like him, do you also need to repair your misaligned or broken garage door spring? Schedule a consultation with Adams Garage Doors LLC today. Jump to adamsgaragedoorslllc.com or call 703-623-6766 to know more.